Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Uncovering India. Today's episode focuses on not just education but special education because while teaching is a noble profession and a challenging also because you are not only teaching a child but also preparing him to become a better citizen of tomorrow. At the same time, the role of special educators becomes even more tougher considering the environment and the situation that a special educator has to deal in terms of preparing a child for the future. So we have with us today one such special educator, Shri Avinash Parkhi, who has been awarded by the state government as one of the best teachers of the state this year, and he is going to talk to us about his what this award means to him, and also what are the challenges that he has faced and what needs to be further done to make the education process better for special children. Sir, congratulations for your name getting selected amongst the best teacher award for 2020, and your name has come in the primary teacher category. And what does this award mean to you, especially being a special educator? What does this mean to you and its importance?
Okay, thank you all of you. I am very happy that I am getting this special education teacher award in primary category. Actually, I have 27 years experience in this special education field, and main thing is I worked dedicated and hard work, and that I got that prize for that. And I am dedicated this award for my all students, their parents, all my staff, teachers, colleagues, and all management of Disha Charitable Trust, Disha School for Special Children. It is a motivating and encouragement for me to work harder and better in this field of special education.
So, how do you think this can help you and in the cause of teaching the special children? How is this award you can think can help you?
Yeah, this award will it will be benefiting for me as well as our school and special education. This award gives me encouragement to work more and more in details, like improving my knowledge, improving students' knowledge and skills. We can do more things in this field, and I have some plans also I can implement for it for the future of these children with special needs.
So, what are those plans, if you could elaborate?
I have planned job placement for these children because they mostly people say that these special children don't have future, and these part are little segregated. Now it is included in society, but people are not giving more attention for their future. So I will mostly try to work for their future, their job placement, or they can get any job or skills they can develop. And my ultimate aim is like a special education aim, and that is to make them independent in self-help skills and financially independent. So like that I am trying our student, small student, basically they will be independent in all self-help skills and all personal skills, occupational skills, and as well as they in future if they will be adult, they will work independently, they will earn something and they will be independent for their future.
So, what is that special technique or methodology that you use that has led you to get this award? Anything special that you have in your approach?
Main things in special education we have different psychological or educational techniques that we regularly use in our teaching process and instruction process. Actually, teacher has to make lots of teaching learning materials. That I am doing. I am doing digital e-learning teaching learning material, and I have experienced that our students they take more interest in e-learning. And another thing, we have to find the strength and weakness of the children. What is the strength of the child? We have to find out what is the need of the child and how his level, current level of the. We always we think uh, from the level of that current level of that child, and what are the goals we are going to select for his future. So accordingly we develop curriculum and plan accordingly and work accordingly. So if you go technically using special education techniques and strategies, teaching aids, I have experienced that children they develop their skills and they improve.
So anything that you wish from the government side, from the society side, that should be done?
Yeah. Nowadays, government as well as society, they have awareness regarding this special children and special schools and all that. All they cooperate. I am grateful that Goa government is giving very good facilities for teachers, students, parents, for the upliftment of these special children and special education section. I will appreciate government that they should work with the NGOs. They can make plan or strategies for the future of these children, because the policy making peoples they don't have trained person or specialist person to make the policies and all that. If they can take the special persons in the special education, or some parents also important part in this process, so they can make the some schemes and activities that will be useful or beneficial for the special children.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
गुड मॉर्निंग, मेरा नाम कविता है, मैं पणजी में रहता है। मेरा बेटा इधर स्कूल में पढ़ने के लिए स्टार्ट होके ऑलरेडी 10 साल हो गया। अविनाश को पहला मैं कंग्रेचुलेशन बोलता है, उसको अवार्ड मिला ना, उसको कंग्रेचुलेशन बोलता है मैंने उसको। मेरे को इधर आके बहुत खुश हो गया, मेरा बेटा इधर पढ़ के 10 साल हो गया। उसको क्या क्या करने का, कैसा पढ़ाने का, कैसा खाना खिलाने का, सब कुछ मेरे को अविनाश सर डेली रिपोर्ट करता था, पहला भी करता था, अभी तो लॉकडाउन होने के बाद में भी हमको ऑनलाइन से सब कुछ रिपोर्ट करता है। मतलब अच्छा है सर, वो पढ़ाने का है तो खेलने का है तो कैसा खिलाने का, कैसा करने का, एक्सरसाइज कैसा करने का, सब कुछ हमको सिखाता है। सब अच्छे से बोलता है, अच्छे से सिखाता है। मतलब हमको तो बहुत खुश है। मेरा बेटा भी थोड़ा इम्प्रूव भी है, पहले जैसे अभी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव है। अभी इधर में अविनाश को देखने के लिए 10 साल हो गए। मैं बात करने का, कैसा करने का, मूवमेंट उसको क्या है, सब कुछ हमको डेली रिपोर्ट करता है। पहला तो स्कूल में आता था रिपोर्ट करता था, अभी भी हम लोग लॉकडाउन हुआ तो भी अभी भी रिपोर्ट करता है हमको ना ऐसा स्कूल रहना चाहिए। बाद में टीचर भी हमको चाहिए, बाद में स्पीच का, एक्सरसाइज का, सब कुछ हमको अच्छे सिखाता है सर। ये तो अविनाश सर तो हमको।
तो एक गार्जियन होने के नाते, एक पेरेंट होने के नाते, और क्या आपको लगता है कि होना चाहिए? ऐसे स्कूल और होने चाहिए और टीचर होने चाहिए, ये और अच्छा होए बच्चों के लिए? उसके लिए सरकार ने क्या करना चाहिए, सोसाइटी ने क्या करना चाहिए, लोगों ने क्या करना चाहिए?
हाँ, हमको ऐसा वाला स्कूल चाहिए सर, रहना चाहिए। बाद में गवर्नमेंट भी हमको टीचर, बाद में स्पेशलिटी, पहला स्पीच का टीचर चाहिए हमको, बाद में एक्सरसाइज के लिए टीचर चाहिए। ऐसा सब कुछ हमको स्पेशलिटी देना चाहिए। सोसाइटी भी ऐसे ही हमको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए सब लोग। ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे, मतलब ऐसा बच्चों को साथ रहने का बहुत तकलीफ है, सबको तकलीफ है, टीचर को भी तकलीफ है, पेरेंट्स को भी तकलीफ है। फिर भी टीचर ने, पेरेंट्स से ज़्यादा टीचर केयर लेता है। मेरे हिसाब से टीचर तो बहुत केयर लेता है। अविनाश सर तो मैं देखा बहुत साल से, हम थोड़ा पीछे हटे तो वो तो अच्छे से केयर लेता है। मेरे को तो वो बहुत खुश होता है। बाद में कुछ चेयर चाहिए तो कुछ भी स्पेशलिटी चाहिए तो हमको फ़ोन करके पूछते हैं तुमको आपको कुछ हेल्प चाहिए, बोलो ऐसे हेल्प कोई चाहिए तो हम लोग हेल्प करेगा, ऐसा कुछ बहुत करता है। बाद में नॉर्मल स्कूल में कैसा खेलने का, कैसा कभी क्या क्या होने का, डांस प्रोग्राम रहने दो, बाद में खेलने का रहने दो, कैसा रहता है ऐसा ही ये स्कूल में भी सब ऑलमोस्ट होता रहता है। डांस प्रोग्राम में कुछ भी रहने दो, ऐसे सब कुछ होता रहता है। हमको तो उसको देख के बहुत खुश हो गया और एक बार बोलता है उसको कंग्रेचुलेशंस बोलता है समय।
मेरा नाम सचिन नाइक है, मैं परवरी में रहता हूँ। मैंने अभी स्कूल का सर है अविनाश सर, उसको स्टेट अवार्ड मिला, इसलिए उसको एक कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन बोलता हूँ। मेरा लड़का इस स्कूल में पढ़ता है, वो कम से अभी 8-9 साल हुआ उसको स्कूल में पढ़ता है। सर उसको पढ़ाता है, वो सर अच्छा पढ़ाता है उसको। अभी लॉकडाउन होने के कारण अभी वो घर पर है, लेकिन घर पर होने के बावजूद भी सर उसको फ़ोन करके सब उसको स्टडी के बारे में पूछता है। और अभी इधर दिशा स्कूल के आया तभी से वो पूरा एक्टिव हुआ है। अभी पढ़ाई में भी उसका ध्यान लगता है और स्पेशली वो क्या है, सर हर बार डेली फ़ोन करके उसको पूछता है कैसा क्या करता है, बस क्या करता है, उसका डेली एक्टिविटी चालू रहता है। और ये मैं दिशा स्कूल का भी बहुत आभारी हूँ और इस सर का भी, और मैं मेरे तरफ से सर को भी बहुत थैंक यू बोलता हूँ। और ये अवार्ड मिला उसके लिए भी उसको और एक बार कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन बोलता हूँ। थैंक यू।
Hello ma'am, congratulations. Teacher has got the best teacher award. So how does it feel ma'am?
I feel very proud. Any educational institute is known by its staff. They are the backbone of the school, and specifically for the type of school that provides equal educational opportunities for all. I would like to put on the record that our staff is studious, proactive, totally dedicated, often taking initiative to improve themselves. And the example is Mr. Avinash Parkhe. So I think he's representing our school staff. He's the representative. And I hope every year our each staff will get this. I hope.
So what does this award mean for special children as such? Because it is dedicated to the special children. How does it help the cause of your teaching special children?
Many people imagine that children with special needs have limits to what they can achieve. But that is the opposite of the truth. When the parents and children are given the appropriate resources, so much it achievable. So we as a team must help them to develop their capabilities to their maximum. And here with Disha we are doing the same thing. So because there is still the society needs awareness, they think that they have limitations, but we are saying we should give them the proper exposure, opportunities should be given. So here society as a whole plays an important role in molding lives of every individual. So it is my request with all humanity that accept, understand the sensitivity of the issue and create equal opportunities to make them part of our society. Now just that Avinash sir told, so he's looking for the placement of the students. So here we need the society's help because they should understand this problem. So then only we can, it's a teamwork. So only even if Avinash desires or my aspiration is not my wish. So we need as a team we should work. So that's why I told you that there is a misconception that they have limits to what they can achieve. No. If we give the proper training, a proper guidance, we can maximize their efforts.
So what are your future plans? Like what do you want to further add to your school's activities? Any new initiative, a new program that you're planning?
Actually, our school, we are thinking of the residential school. Then we have our vocational unit, but we are thinking of the production unit. Like because what happens ki after 35 years what they will do, and there is a parents also are worried. So and these children we have to keep them occupied. So that is the planning. So we can keep them occupied if we have the production unit. So whatever their ability, using their ability, we can give them work. And few of our students actually we have place. One is in the Hindu pharmacy, one in that Paradise Cruise, like that. So we are trying to rehabilitate them. First, we need to do counseling, because first our experience is that sometimes they get teased by the other co-workers, so need counseling. Sometimes there is some misunderstanding. Sometimes they are getting scared to put them on jobs. So first we have to go there, we have to counsel, we have to give trust, and then they see how that repetitive work they can do nicely. That our students, the repetitive work they do better. So this counseling, awareness, these are the main things.
Counseling for the employers.
Co-workers, employers, mainly for the co-workers, because otherwise the chances of exploitations, making the misuse of the child, it happens. So that's why first we have to counsel the co-workers, how about the child and all that. And with the, I told you, it's a teamwork. So we need the cooperation of the everybody. And in addition to day-to-day curriculum, our students are exposed to other activities to develop skills in sports, fine arts. And I take pride in reporting that many of our students have participated in state, national, international level competitions, winning them to bring laurels to our school. So, and to boost the confidence and make our students self-reliant, we have vocational activities also. So I expect in future that they will get the job opportunities in the society. They will handle this child, behave with the sensitiveness and all that. So the parents will be happy, and as a teacher, all of us will be more happy. And I'm very proud of this Avinash, because he is representing the Disha. So I feel very proud.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm Sandhya Kaloke, the Secretary of Disha Charitable Trust and the Manager of the Special School. I'm also the President of All Goa Special Schools Association. Today, it's a proud moment for all of us at Disha to have this award being won by one of our senior most teachers, Mr. Avinash Parkhe. This recognition to the special education sector means a lot for all of us, and I hope the government takes it on a different platform and not under the general category. We hope and pray to see more special educators winning such awards, because we know what a wonderful job all of them have been doing. This is also commendable and recognition because it showcases how important it is to have a special educator in the life of a special child, especially in these times of COVID-19 and lockdown, when the teacher has been playing the part of a therapist as well as an educator. As a counselor, as a speech therapist, as a PT, OT, helping out, reaching out to parents, sending videos, sorting out their problems. There has been innumerable cases, and each and every special educator has been reaching out in all possible ways. So this recognition at this moment means a lot for all of us. One more thing, as a president of Special Schools Association, that I would like to mention. On 18th September, the Times of India carried a small piece of news about the committee that has been formed for the state education policy. There's also been a mention that there's a need to revamp the education system with the special educators. This being the case, the Honorable CM has already said that this is for the betterment of the students, for the future of a brighter Goa, and under these circumstances, it has been a request from us that the CM should realize that under the new RPWD Act, we have 21 different disabilities listed, and each one has their own unique problems. These need to be addressed through the education sector. For this, there should be a separate committee involving people working at the grassroots level with such disabled people, with maybe subcommittees formed of 3 members each from each disability area. This is a request, and I hope and pray the Honorable CM looks into this matter. There's one more request that we had sent out to the CM, Honorable CM, that we have to deal with the Education, Directorate of Education Adult Section whenever we need any issue sorted out. We have requested Honorable CM Sir, as the Minister for Education, that there should be somebody from the Special Educators section nominated in the adult section so that they realize the grassroots issues and problems that we face on a daily basis, and things could be sorted out easily and better. Thank you. The last but not the least is the rules that have been notified for the new RPDW Act, state rules. They have been notified, but I believe they have not yet been implemented. I have heard that there are certain committees that have been formed, but certain committees have not been brought out. We would like the full rules to be implemented to help us work in a more efficient manner. Thank you.
Thank you. You just heard from all the stakeholders what kind of support do the special children need for their growth. While the government needs to pitch in with more funds, more schools and special educators, the society at large needs to also pitch in terms of giving them support and giving them the opportunity in terms of work for them to grow and become independent in future. This is Shashwat Guptare signing off for Uncovering India.